Hello my dear viewers, you're welcome to this video. In this video you will learn how to sew an inner back pocket to your trouser, and these are the items needed for this project to be carried out. Here is the main trouser being cut out. This is the trouser, and this one is the pocket cover. You want to cover the pocket. Here are gum stairs, and these two are the major pockets, which this gum stair will go on like this, and with this one will go on like this. Okay, so you can see I marked out the back with stars. I marked them out. These are the back of this cloth, and this place will be the front. So this place that I marked is the back, and the other side is the front. Okay, you can see the gum stair. I'm placing it on it now, ready to be gummed to the cloth. I'm actually going to use the iron to hold it this way, press it to the cloth to gum. Okay, turn it over, do it again, over and again, for it to hold very well. And once done, you trim out the excess. Kindly trim out the excess from both sides. Okay, you can see that. Alright, we are done trimming the excess, and now we fold. Please follow this very well. Follow the way I fold it. You can see the way I'm folding it, and then iron. I'm bending it. I'm bending it. Then I bend this one too, the same way. Alright. Okay, now we bring in the trouser. It's back, and this is the front. Okay, now we're going to measure out the position that we're going to place the pocket. And then from this up, we measure 4 inches. Measure 4 inches. Mark it out. Then from this angle, from this side, look at it from this straight side, we measure 2 inches. We're going to free 2 inches so that the pocket will not go into the buttock. Mark it out. And then from that 2 inches, we take the main measurement, which is where the pocket will be placed, 5 inches. Taking 5 inches. Okay. So the size of the pocket will be 5 inches. So that's what we're marking out now. We're just going to connect the 2 points. Connect it in alignment with the center, which we measured from out. This is the position of the pocket, where the pocket will be seated here. Okay, quickly let me say something here. Remember we started from the front, that is placing it from the front. This is the back and this is the front, because the pocket will go inside. So when it goes inside, you go to the back. So the one with the wider gum style will be placed below like this, and then the one with smaller gum style will be placed above it, just like this. You can see it. So the one with bigger gum style will be the one to come down below it, while the other one will be at the top. So we will then mark the point that we're going to sew. So just look at the way I'll mark it out now, and then I'll rule it out, so you will see the width at which we are going to sew. So mark that one out now, and we're going to mark the upper one out too, to place them at the same position, because they will be at the same position. Where this one started is where the upper one will start to and end at the same place. So they will end at the same place. And then I rule. Don't mind me, I need to carefully roll it out. Okay, I'm going to use the pin to hold it firm before going to sew it on the sewing machine, because I wouldn't want it to shift. So I need to pin it down. Okay, we are good to go. You can see the way I drew it. So the next video will be the sewing. Please don't go away, just keep in touch and remember to subscribe. Thank you.